teach you guys about problem solving today. I'm going to use this example. A farmer has a daughter who needs more practice in mathematics. One morning the farmer looks out in the barnyard and sees pigs and chickens. The farmer says to his daughter, I count 24 heads and 80 feet. How many pigs do I have and how many chickens are out there? Now it should be common sense that a pig has 1 head and 4 feet, and a chicken has 1 head and 2 feet. Now to solve this, to start out, you might think, I'll just use trial and error. And if we do that, now we know that each animal has only 1 head, so the number of pigs plus the number of chickens has to equal 24, because the farmer told his daughter that he saw 24 heads. So we pick factors of 24, so if we pick 12 and 12, say we have 12 pigs, that's 12 heads, and 12 heads times 4 legs, because each pig has 4 legs, equals 48 legs. And if we have 12 chickens, that's 12 more heads. And then, because each chicken has 2 legs, that's 24 legs. And if we add up 48 plus 24 legs, the total number of legs, we only get 72. And the farmer said that he saw 80 legs. So, we'll have to use another trial and error problem. This time, if we try 8 chickens, and 16 pigs, 16 plus 8 equals 24, so we have our total number of heads. 8 chickens, we have 8 chickens and each one has 2 legs, so that's 16 legs. And 16 pigs, each pig has 4 legs, so that equals 64 legs. And if we take 16 plus 64, that equals our 80. So we could get our answer that way. Another way we could get it is by drawing a diagram. So, as the problem says, we have 24 heads. So we draw 24, and 6, 7, 8, 24. So we have our 24 heads. And now we're just going to make each one of these a chicken. So each one has 2 legs. So we have 24 heads, and right now each head has 2 legs, so 24 times 2 is 48, so we have 48 legs. Now we just keep adding, we make each one a pig until we come up with 80 legs. So we have 48 legs now, make this one a pig, that makes it 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80. So now we have 80 legs and 24 heads. So now we count up the number of pigs. 2, 3, 16. So we have 16 pigs and the rest are chickens. So our answer again is 16 pigs and 8 chickens. So we could do it that way. But let's say the farmer saw 162 heads and 400 legs. I I don't have the time to draw 162 heads and draw a bunch of legs. So we can do it another way. Now each pig has 1 head and 4 feet. Each chicken has 1 head and 2 feet. So we're going to write an equation this time to make it a little easier. So we'll make pigs represented by X, and chickens is represented by Y. And because we know the number of pigs plus the number of chickens, because they have the same number of heads, equals 24, we can put X plus Y equals 24. And because we know the number of pig legs plus the number of chicken legs equals 80, each pig has 4 legs, so we can put 4X plus, and then each chicken has 2 legs, so we can put 2Y equals 80. And now we can solve for either one of those. I'll choose this top one first. So we got X plus Y equals 24. And if we subtract X from each side, we got a Y equals 24 minus X. So we solve for Y in that. Now we plug this Y answer into the second equation. And we got 4X plus 2, and in place of the Y, we put in that. So we got 24 minus X equals 80. And then we solved the rest of the equation, so we got 4X plus 2 times 24 equals 48. And then 2 times the negative X equals minus 2X.
Okay, sorry.
And then equals 80. Combine the like terms, so we got 4X minus 2X equals 2X plus 48 equals 80. Subtract 48 from both sides. 2X equals, what is that? 32. And then divide by 2. X equals 16. So there's X equals 16 for one. And now we can go back to our first equation. We had X equals 16. And if we use the same equation, we can use 16, plug in the 16 for X plus Y equals 24. Now we solve for Y again, subtract 16. Y equals 8. So again, we have 16 pigs and 8 chickens. Are there any questions?